Welcome, in front of me is an Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and then select power off. So to select it, we actually need to hold it. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of time after it turns off, just so it accepts the power and volume up. So hopefully now it's good enough. So let's hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the logo, the Infinix logo on the screen, I'll let go of the power key. And there was a vibration, but nothing showed up. There we go. And as you can see, this will take you to this kind of screen that you can see right here, XOS with no command. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and you are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the accessible options here, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us to Android. We have a Reboot to Bootloader and Fast Boot Mode. Bootloader does the same thing as Fast Boot Mode. Both of the options take us to Fast Boot Mode. We have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card. Never mind, we don't have ADB, we just have SD card. We have Wipe Data, we have Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off the device. So there we go, those are all the options. So now I'm gonna go back to Android by selecting the first option and gonna wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.